raining in Bavaria, and so I saw on the way down a railway museum, so we've come to visit that this morning. Hopefully it will stop raining eventually. So these are some of the exhibits. Quite a good display, I must say. And there's a great film in German, but it's all about track maintenance, tamping and lifting the rails and lifting the sleepers and removing them and putting down concrete ones. Absolutely fascinating, although it was in German. It was brilliant. Must see if I can get one in English. Now, I lost my wife, she's not very happy. I don't know whether it's because we're in a railway museum or because it's raining. So it used to be a loco shed, and there's a turntable. And they've got a model of the works, Lokwelt it's called, which I guess stands for Loco Works. And there's the turntable. There's some more of it here. These are the exhibits from the other side. And I still can't find my wife. I'm going to get a bit of a telling off. So this is the Lokwelt at Freilassing, and the rain's coming back. So this is Freilassing. I expect I pronounced that incorrectly. That isn't a train going by, that's a bicycle. And this definitely looks like a model railway out of continental modelling, or whatever it's called. There is a freight train down here, tanker train, which has been here for a while now. It's still got its lights on. But I don't think it's leaving anytime soon. Fascinating. Looks like there's a couple of Class 68s or 66s over there. Zoom in, have a look. Past the signal box. Nice little shunter. Yeah. That's the freight train with the tankers. The tankers looks like it's about to leave because the driver's just got on. Anyway, I've got to hurry. My train there leaves in about 4 minutes and Beverly will be panicking.